Good morning, class. Hope you're ready for an amazing Thursday, because I am ready for an amazing Thursday. Please stand up. I've got the flag, right hand on your heart. Let's begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Let's get ready for calendar time. What's the time? It's calendar time. So let's see, the name of our month is what? I can hear you. You're right, September. Let's spell it. Ready? S-E-P-T-E-M-B-E-R. September is our month. And what is the year? 2020. Good job, Camila. 2020. Reed, what do you think our number is going to be? Yesterday was 23, Reed. What comes after 23? You're right. He is saying after 23 comes the number 24. 24. So let's count to 24. Are you ready, Yusuke? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So today is September the 24th, 2020, 2020. Who remembers how many days are in a week? Wow, all of you remembered. 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. So tell me a math problem. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Awesome. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Are you ready to say them? Here we go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So we said today's Thursday. If I went to 24 and drove up Thursday, here comes Thursday. It's coming close. Here it comes. Who's ready to spell it? Oh, you're ready, Reed? I'm ready to hear you. Ready? T, H, U, R, S, D, A, Y. Thursday. Ooh, what vowels do you see in Thursday? You're right. U and A. U and A are in Thursday. So if there are 7 days in a week, how many months are there? You're right, Camila. 12 months in a year. We have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So what do we gotta get out now? Right, it's calendar time. Take out your calendar, find your handy dandy calendar. Let's take that out. And the number we are writing today is the number 24. Now we do not write our number, whoops, I got a runaway marker. We do not write our number 4 like they write their number 4. Remember, sometimes companies make things and they use a different font for that. So 2, we've been practicing our 2s all week. So the first thing, remember a 2, over the head, slide down, belt. My 4, I'm going to slide down a little, then I'm going to slide over, and then I'm going to make a straight back for my 4. Again, over the head, slide down, belt, slide down, over, long back. So my 24 is going after my 23. So 24 comes after 23. So it's going right next door to the house next door. 24. Oops, I was pointing the wrong one. 24. So let's do 24 jumps. So when you're done writing your 24, stand up because I'm ready to jump. 24 jumps. We've been like doing a little exercise in our morning calendar time. So stand on up. Who's ready? Good. I'm ready too. Here we go. 24 jumps. Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me hear you. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Almost made it 5. 24 jumps. Whew. Okay, if you need a little break and take a little drink and a little water, because guess what time it is? Presidents. I can see one president right there. There you are. There is Abraham Lincoln. Let's see some more presidents over here. We're going to go for a little drive. See if it's going to be a bumpy road. It might be a little bump because I'm going to hit my carpet. Let me see if I can lift it up a little. Now I'm getting ready to hit a desk because I'm driving. It's not wanting to move. Okay, we're going to drive back a little. Going back. And now we're going to go forward. Maybe. Looks like we're going to tip over. This is not wanting to drive today. It's going to make it a funny Thursday. There we go. Now we're driving. Okay, so here we go. Here is our presidents. So we've had how many presidents so far? You're right, Camila. 45 presidents. We've had 45 presidents. Who is our president right now, Reed? You're right. Donald Trump is our president right now. Yusuke, who was the first president? You're right. George Washington was our first president. Who is that president on the penny? You're correct. Abraham Lincoln. So we have Abraham Lincoln, Donald Trump, and George Washington. George Washington. Now remember, what's going to happen in November? Remember, there's an election. We're going to find out who is going to be president. Will Donald Trump stay president, or will we have a new president? We will find out once they count up all the votes. Who votes? You're right. We the people. What about we the people? We got to be 18 or older, born in the United States, or you take a test to become a citizen of the United States. Now, Donald Trump already ran the race one time. He ran the race against Hillary Clinton. So he ran the race one time. So when he won, he gets 4 years to be president. He gets 4 years. You get 4 years to be president. Now, he runs the race again. If he wins, he gets another year, and so he gets another 4 years. So remember, you can run the race 2 times, and if you win, you get 4 years here and another 4 years. And 4 plus 4 equals 8. So 8. So the president before him, Barack Obama, he ran the race 2 times. He won and he got 4 years. Then he ran the race again. Was he like on his tennis shoes? No. He got the most votes again and he got another 4 years. So if you want, so a president can run the race and he can be president 2 times. It's called 2 terms. 2 terms. You get 4 years and another 4 years. So Donald Trump is running the race again, and we'll find out in November. Once they count all the votes from We the People, we will find out, does he stay president? And I am looking for the mystery of R, because I don't use this one because the numbers are different. I am trying to find where did Mrs. Sievert put our map. I think it's back in the back. So I'm going to the back. So hold that thought. I'll be right back. Nope. Can you hear me? Oh, can you hear me? Okay, well, guess what? It's in Mysteryland. I don't know where it is. It's in Mysteryland. Things like to disappear in my classroom. It's very bizarre. I just had it, and it's in Mysteryland. So we're going to do the one over here. The numbers are a little different, just so you know. And I don't have a number up on this one. So I'm just kind of curious where I just put that. So, mystery, Mrs. Sievert. I don't know where you put that. Mystery. Okay, so we'll figure it out. So the numbers are a little different, just so you know. So we have Arizona, so the states are in the same spot, it's just my numbers are different. So we have Arizona, Florida, California, New York, and our new one is Oregon, and I don't have anything on there. So Oregon. So I have Arizona, Florida, California, New York, Oregon. And it's okay if I say them in different orders, because guess what? Arizona doesn't move to a new place. Arizona still stays right there where it's located. Florida doesn't move if I say it in a different order. It's still going to be there. So if I went New York, Florida, Arizona, California, Oregon, they're still going to be in the same spot. And I still got to travel to Florida to go to the NASA space station. Yes, I do. Okay, are you ready to count backwards? We're going to start counting a new way. We're going to be starting to count by tens very soon. So let's count by 10 backwards to 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. We have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay, let's travel back over here. I know, maybe I'll travel back over here and find our missing. Oh, I just found it. It was at my desk, and my desk is kind of a little crazy over there. So I'll show you my desk. We're spinning around. So my desk, that's all my desk area. And so I just see it. If you can't really see it very well, but it's right here. I put it there. I put it there, and I probably was walking. Oh, ooh, was that a fast travel? Ooh, spinning like we're orbiting around the sun. We just kind of like did a very quick travel, didn't we? So we are going to get ready for some letters. Letters. We're going to be writing. So what do we need? Whiteboard, your whiteboard marker, and your eraser. That's what we need right now. So get those items, because that's what we're going to start with. We're going to write some letters today. So we've written A, we need B, C, D. We are going to write some more letters. We need to write some more letters. So I'm going to get my chart. Here's my handy dandy chart. So it's kind of covering a little of that over there, but that's okay. Whoops, it's got to slide more over this way. So we have A, B, C, D. We're going to do E and F today. E and F. We're going to write E and F on our whiteboards today. So you need your whiteboard, and you need, remember, red is going down. So we're going to write the letter E. E is super easy, super easy. I wish they were all that easy, but they're not. So E, are you ready? We're going to go blue to the red, like a number 1. Super easy, right? Then straight line on the blue, straight line on the dotted line, straight line on the red. Let's do those 2 more times. Ready? Blue to the red. Straight line on the top, straight line on the dotted, straight line on the red. 1 more time. From the blue to the red. Straight line on the blue, straight line on the dotted, straight line on the red. Now, capital E, easy. The lowercase e, a little harder. Who remembers what sound E makes? E says and E says E. So I'm going to make the lowercase e. Now when I make the lowercase e, I'm going to go, do you see that little dot I did? I'm going to go below the dotted line. I'm going to go a little below. I'm going to go below, and I'm going to go up, touch the dotted line, slide down, and it has almost like the curve of a C. Again, I'm going to go a little below. I'm going to go round up, slide down, and curve. 1 more. I'm going to go a little below. I'm going to go round up, slide down, curve. So those are my lowercase e. Who remember what I'm going to do after E? What letter? You're right, F. I'm going to do the letter F. Capital F, super easy. It's friends with the E. He's friends with the E. He just doesn't have one part of it. He just doesn't do the straight line on the bottom. But other than that, he does exactly the same as the capital E. Are you ready? So again, just like the E, go from the blue to the red. Super easy. Then a straight line on the top, straight line in the middle. How easy is that? Again, blue to the red, straight line on the top, straight line in the middle. One more time. From the blue to the red, straight line on the top, straight line in the middle. Capital F, easy. It's friends with the E. F says what sound? Okay, let's make the lowercase. The lowercase, do you see where my dot is? I'm going to go a little below, but I'm going to drive up to the blue. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to drive up. I'm going to curve around my head, drive around my head, slide all the way down to the red, and I'm putting a belt on. So again, I'm going to go over my head, slide all the way down to the red, and then I put a belt. One more time. I'm going to go over my head, slide all the way down to the red, and I'm going to put my belt. Great job. Great job. Okay, so we just practiced our E and our F. We just practiced writing our E and our F. Now I'm going to show us some letters, and we're going to see what letters I have today. What letters I have. Okay, letter M, sound M. Letter N, sound N. Letter O, sound aw, and O. Letter P, sound p. Letter Q, sound qu. Letter R, sound r. Letter S, sound s. Letter T, sound t. Letter U, sound U. Letter V, sound v. Letter W, sound w. Letter X, sound x. Letter Y, sound y. Letter Z, sound z. And now we're back to M, back to the letter M. So we're gonna get ready to do some of our sight word game. We're gonna play our sight word game today. So you are going to need to first get your blue packet. So remember, you're going to need your blue packet. So please get your blue packet. Please get that. So get your blue packet, and I need you to get out of your blue packet. You are going to need, of course, this. You are going to need your sight word reading page. So get your sight word reading page. So get that page. You are also going to need your other alphabet page that starts with M on the top. So find the one that has M on the top, because your other one you did yesterday, so that is completed. Okay, so you also are going to need, in your bag, you have these teddy bears. So find your teddy bears. You have these teddy bears in there. You're going to need them today to do your sight word bingo, I am going to end up saying a sight word, and then you are going to put your teddy bear on the sight word. You're going to put your teddy bear on the sight word. So that is what we're going to do. So before we start doing that, let's make sure we know what our sight words are. We have a, and, of the two. Okay, say it with me, ready? A and of the two. Okay, let's do this side. These are our new ones. In, is, it, that, you. Ready? In, is, it, that, you. So you're going to have your teddy bears. Now, because I'm holding this up in the air, my teddy bears would slide off like it was a slide. So what you are going to do is I'm going to say the sight word, and when I say it, you are going to lay your teddy bear next to the sight word that I say. You're going to lay the teddy bear next to the one that I say. Okay? So for me, let me get this. I am going to put mine, I just need to get I'm going to put mine on here, and by putting it on here, I have these magnets, and so when I say it, what I'm going to end up doing, I don't have teddy bears, but I have these magnets, and then I will just stick it next to the one that it is, and we'll see if you got it right. Okay, are we ready? Okay, so here, we're going to get ready to go. So let me get my cards real quick, so that way I have them, so you will be able to find the sight words. In case you're not able to find it, I'm going to show it to you, and then that will help you be able to find it. So I got my cards. So let me get them. Then I'll get my other cards. I have. Okay, so let's see which one I want first. Okay, you ready? So I'm going to say it, and then I want you to try to find it, and then I will show it to you. So that will give people the chance to, if they don't know what it is, when I say it, then I'll show it and your eyes will see it, and then you're gonna match it to the one that you have. Okay, is everybody ready? Okay, so I'm gonna keep this down. Okay, the first one I want you to find is that. That. That is one of our new ones. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a moment to find it. Now I'm gonna show you what it looks like, okay? This is the sight word that. Okay, see if you can find it. If you need a little more time, what do we always do? Push the pause button. Okay, here we go. This is where you should have put for that, right here. Okay, ready? That's my next one. Sight word. This was from the first group, the first 5 sight words. To. The sight word to. See if you can find it. Okay, I'm gonna get ready to show it. Ready? This is to. T-O spells two. T-O spells two. Okay. I'm going to put another one. So you're gonna put a different teddy bear because this one's already, we're trying to get them all full. Okay, so to, who went right here? Awesome. Okay, ready? Here's my next one, a new one. Is. Okay, I'm getting ready to show. This is how you spell is. I-S. Is. Okay. Let's see. Is right here. There's my is. Okay, ready? The famous sight word, the. Okay, this is the. T-H-E spells the. Okay, I'm going to show you. I kind of don't have a whole bunch of magnets. This one's going to get a star. Probably because it's the famous one. So it's right here. The. Okay, you ready? The next sight word is it. 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 Okay, I'm going to show it to you. Here's it. Okay, let's see. It was one of our new ones. It is between is and that. It. Right there. My next one is and. And. Okay, ready? And. A-N-D spells and. A-N-D. Okay, here's mine. And was from our old ones. We're right here. Ready? You. You. Okay. Y-O-U. Y-O-U spells you. You is a new one. You is a new one. So it's on this side over here. There's you. Okay, ready? My next one is of. 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 Okay. O-F. Spell of. O-F. O-F. Of. Okay. So we only had 3 choices. So we had these 3 choices. So now we only have these 2 left. These 2 are the only ones that should not have teddy bears. Okay. My sight word is in. In. In is I-N, spells in. I-N spells in. And of course I only had 2 choices. And I know this is A, so this must be in. And your last one, of course, is what? You're right, A. And everybody should know where that goes. So I ran out of my magnet, so of course it would go here. If I had another magnet, it would go there. Awesome job. Now you can keep doing this with your family at home. They can say a sight word, and then you put a teddy bear on where it goes, Okay, so let's get ready for our alphabet to find a matching our capital to our lowercase, our capital to our lowercase. So let's get ready to do that. Okay, so let me get my letters that will help us. Oh, freeze, rewind, rewind. We're not doing that yet. We got to do our sight. We're still on sight words. I almost forgot. We have our sentence reader. We have our sentences that we need to read, but we need to be a noun finder. So noun finder, we need to get the handy dandy orange. So get out an orange marker because we got to be a noun finder. What's a noun? You're right. Person, place, or thing. Person, place, or thing. Person, place, or thing. So please get your handy dandy orange marker. I almost forgot that we had that paper today. It was kind of hiding under all my other stuff. I have a lot of things hiding today. It's kind of a funny Thursday, isn't it? Okay, so let's read it first and then we'll go looking for those nouns because we already found our sight words. So now we want to make sure that we can find our nouns, okay? So let's read our sentence. Ready? Do you have a yellow kite? Okay, this one. That butterfly is blue. The fish were in the fishbowl. Which bag is it in? Is that your baseball? Okay, so make sure you're practicing reading those to your family. Make sure you're practicing. Now remember, what's a noun? Person, place, or thing. Person, place, or thing. So we're going to read that sentence, those sentences again. We're going to read them again, and we're going to find our nouns. Okay, ready? Do, is do a noun? No. You, nope. Have, nope. A, nope. Yellow. Yellow's tricky. Yellow describes the kite. What about kite? Is kite a noun? Yes. Kite is a noun. It's a thing. It's a thing. So there is one noun in that. Do you have a yellow kite? Yellow describes the kite. So yellow is describing the noun. Ready? That butterfly is blue. So that butterfly is blue. Who thinks they know if there's a noun in there? Awesome, I heard someone, butterfly. So this big word right here, butterfly, is our noun. It's a living thing. Amazing, good job. What about the word blue? Blue is describing our noun, which our noun is the butterfly. So blue describes the butterfly. Okay, ready? This one has two. The fish were in the fishbowl. So we got the fish. Is fish a noun? Yep, it's a living thing. So we want fish. What about were? And we know these are sight words. What about fishbowl? Yes, it's a thing. It's a thing you put the fish in. So I want fishbowl. Awesome job. Okay, this one has one. Which bag is it in? So do we want which? Do we want bag? Yes, we want the bag. We don't know which bag it's in. Maybe it's in the brown bag. Okay, last one. Is that your baseball? What do you think the noun is? I heard one of you, baseball. You're right. Baseball is a noun. It's a thing. And what about your? Nope. So awesome job finding your nouns. You're getting better and better at finding your nouns. That is awesome, awesome, awesome. So you're storing that in there. Okay, now guess what time I can do? I can do my letters now. I can do my letters. Hope you're ready for them. Okay, so we are getting our hand down there. Here's our page we're getting. So let me erase, you can kind of see my 24 from earlier. Let me erase that off the back of my board because it kind of was being like a see-through letters. So you could kind of see. So let me clip that on. Okay, so do you remember how we drive? Do we drive all over the place or do we drive straight there? You're right, straight there if I was going. I don't want to go, well, here I come, I'm going around. No, I want to drive straight there. So we are going to, so our first letter that you see is M. So here's my M, here's my M. So we want to find the lowercase m. We want to find this lowercase m. So remember, we can slide down, I'm going to slide down with this. You can always use your hand too. So you can use your hand to hide some of them so it makes it easy for your eyes to look at one. And you'd be like, okay, so we have, here's our M. And if I slide my hand down, nope, 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 no, no, yes. So I'm like, oh, there it is. Here is my M. So then I am with my pencil. I am going to draw from, and if you are here and you want to drive up, you can do that since you already found it here. If it makes it easier for your eyes to then drive to the letter, or if you're fine driving this way. So whatever is easier, if it's easy to go, okay, I found my lowercase, I'm going to drive up to the M, then you can do that. If it's just as easy driving down, drive down. Whatever makes your straight line, that is what I want you to do. So what comes after the M? What are we going to be looking for? N. I heard you. So here is what the lowercase n looks like. So there's my lowercase n. I'm going to take my hand again and I'm going to slide. Nope. 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 Yes, there it is. There's my N. They look the same. There's my N that looks the same. So then I am going to, again, remember, if it's easier to drive down, drive down. If it was easier to drive up, drive up. Okay, so now I did two of them with you. Because we did this yesterday, I am now going to just show it to you, and then you are going to look for it. So this is O. Of course, the lowercase o looks exactly the same. I want you to drive. So I'm going to take this down now. I'm not going to hold this part up. I'm just going to show you the letter that will be next. And you are going to drive. Okay, you ready? So here is O. I want you to draw your line, find it, and draw your line from your capital to your lowercase. Okay, if you need more time, what do? Push pause. Because now I'm going to the letter P. P comes after the O on your paper. Okay, remember you're driving from your P to your lowercase p. Okay, if you need more time, pause the button. Ready? Letter Q. So you're going to draw from this Q to the other Q. So capital to lowercase. Okay. R. You're driving from your capital R to your lowercase r. Okay, I'm getting ready to go to the next one. S looks just the same. One is big, one is smaller. Drawing from capital S to lowercase s. Next one, T. Capital T to the lowercase t. So driving from here to here. U. Drive from capital U to lowercase u. V. Drive from capital V to lowercase v. W. Capital, lowercase. The next one's easy. It looks exactly the same. X. And the only thing difference is smaller. Y. And your last one, Z. Drive from your capital to your lowercase, Z. Awesome job. So if you needed more time on that, you can watch it again. You can take your time on that. If your family needs to help you with that, you can definitely do that. Well, we are going to end right there today. So make sure, practice those sight words. Practice them a couple times. Practice reading those sentences. I want you to do that every single day. And I want you to do it a couple times today, because then it gets really, really stored in here. Okay, until tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. I know, I'm super excited. We're going to have a fun day. There's going to be times I'm not going to do all the papers in your bag. I might do something different. So if I ever do that and you're like, wait a second, Mrs. Seaver, there's papers still. You can do those as extra, but I just wanted to do something different. Okay, I will see you tomorrow for another amazing day. Remember, who loves you? Jesus does, and so do I. See you tomorrow. Bye.